How to view the auto claims process steps on Progressive Insurance. Hello and welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to show you how to do so and understand exactly what happens from accident to payout. So let's get started. So we can either use the mobile application or the website. You can use any of those and log in into your account if you're not logged in. From here, we can tap on claims option directly. Look out for the claims option in the top of the screen and go ahead and click on it, and this opens up the space. Now here we can look out for this option called auto claim. So you can look out for option called active auto claim or something like that. Just go over and check it out. And there you can just go over and view out your timeline. And what is next? You will be seeing a visual flow like claim received, adjuster assigned, inspections, photos, estimate, repairs, payment, etc. And if your claims has been closed or not as well. You can just go over and check it out in the space. Just go over, look out for auto claim, and there you'll be finding it. That will show you the exact same steps as the application as well if you're using the web version. And within notes and new items, you can just go and check it out. And if you want to report or view claim, you can even click on this option available in the site itself. You can look out for this option called report or view a claim, and you can file the claim. You can submit different details about the accident, damage, application, website, or the phone. You can use any of those. You can use this section right here where you need to enter the claim number, and a claim rep is assigned to review a case and guide next step. You can use guided photos or schedule as in-person inspection, and Progressive sends you a repair estimate. You can pick up shop or use your own, and payment goes to you or directly to the shop, and car gets fixed and the claim is closed. And that's it. So you can follow this method in order to go ahead and view the auto claims process steps in Progressive Insurance. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.